guess they took Kingz and my dog Max. All black, geeking over 30, I just want the rep. Baby mama tripping, she just want the check. Greatest threat is always from the inside. Yes, they put staples in my head, bitch, they been tried. Killers wanna bag me or come see me in that day room. Shorty wanna rag me and throw me up on shade room. Shorty wanna rag, baby, stay tuned. They just free my dog, penthouse out the feds. Told him keep the crown in your heart, not your head. 30s can't seal the pain, money can't shield the rain. When it come for you, eyes wide, tweaking is insane. Never force none, I'm letting life unfold. And that'll be the last thing you see, like that gun hole. Trapping out of Maryland with Monroe. And if your enemy ain't talking good about you, you ain't working hard enough. Headshots and coroners, barricades and accolades, enjoyment of delusion. When you come down off your high, is you winning or you lose? The version of me in your mind is not my responsibility. Shorty, your whole body fake, trying to see the real in it. The apex of pain is what success is. They switch it, but it's always going back to the essence. Me and Dirk still brothers, I ain't do it for the money. Rest in peace, D-Thing, Kingz, 100 miles running. I be dripping in the finest, I'm with Doja and Bahamas. My jeweler blinded me with diamonds, used to be the cop sirens. My brother got deported, gotta meet him out in Dubai. My homie guilty for a body, but I know it's two sides. 110.